Welcome to Simply Logical. This is Venkatesh. The diagram shows two squares. The smaller square has area 18 square centimeters. The larger square has area 50 square centimeters. What is the distance between the two marked vertices? Let me repeat the problem. The diagram shows two squares. The smaller square has area 18 square centimeters. The larger one has area 50 square centimeters. What is the distance between the two marked vertices? Feel free to pause the video and give it a try before checking the solution. If you are visiting this channel for the first time, do consider subscribing to the channel. Let me explain the solution now. Let P, Q and K be the points shown. We know that the smaller square has area 18 square centimeters. Let's length of each side of a smaller square be A. Hence its area is A square, which is equal to 18 square centimeters. After solving for A equals square root of 9 times 2, which is equal to 3 times square root of 2. Thus length of each side of a smaller square is 3 times square root of 2 centimeters. Similarly, let's length of each side of a larger square be B. Hence its area is B square equals 50 square centimeters. After solving, B equals square root of 25 times 2, which is equal to 5 times square root of 2. Thus length of each side of a larger square is 5 times square root of 2 centimeters. Now if you observe the figure carefully, QK is equal to B minus A. That is length of side of a larger square minus length of side of a smaller square. Thus it follows that QK equals 5 times square root of 2 minus 3 times square root of 2 centimeters, which is equal to 2 times square root of 2 centimeters. Applying the same logic to the side KP, the value of KP equals 2 times square root of 2 centimeters. We know from the figure QKP is a right angle triangle. We can apply Pythagoras theorem here. The theorem states that in a right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square of the other two sides. So by Pythagoras theorem applied to the triangle QKP, we have QP square equals QK square plus KP square. Hence the length of QP in centimeters is square root of 2 times of square root whole square plus 2 times square root of 2 whole square. After solving this, the expression becomes square root of 8 plus 8, which is equal to square root of 16. After solving this, we get the value 4. Thus, the distance between the two marked vertices in this figure is 4 centimeters. That's all for this video. Let me know if you have any questions. I will try to address as soon as possible. Thanks for watching and thank you for your support.